Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm recreating Minecraft in Unity from scratch. In just a few lines of code, our block world is ready. Now let's add the core gameplay, block interaction. We create a new script named block interaction and attach it to our main camera, since the camera determines where we aim. We define three essential variables: the voxel prefab we want to place, the interaction distance to limit how far we can reach, and a crucial layer mask to ensure our raycast only hits blocks. Moving to the update function. First, we check our inputs. Left-click Get Mouse Button Down 0 is for destroying, and right-click Get Mouse Button Down 1 is for placing. If the player isn't clicking anything, we use this check to return early and save performance. With this script, your player can now both destroy and construct in your 3D world. Make sure to set up your voxel prefab and layer mask in the inspector and then hit play. I really hope you enjoyed this little Unity project. It was a lot of fun to make. If you liked it, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more cool stuff like this. And as always, see you next time.